What is good, guys? Today we're obviously at Yashio Factory again. Yay! Actually, like, legit my favorite place in the world. And I have a special guest with me, someone you haven't seen in a while, but someone that means a lot to me and my heart. Okay, that's kind of cringy, but wifey's here.
I'm so depressed.
Why? Oh, geez, way to kill the hype at the start of the video. Why are you depressed?
Because Oka-chan told me the saddest news.
Oh, yeah, you need to say this. Speak up, speak up.
He said he doesn't want to swap my RX-8.
What do you mean? You don't even have an RX-8? Wait, did you buy one without telling me? Yeah, Oka-chan was like, Muri, like, I don't want to do it. Mendakusai was the word he used, right? Which means, like, pain in the ass, I don't want to touch it. So,
He'll be hyped.
You thought he'd be hyped about putting an SR in an RX-8?
Yeah.
You don't know Oka-chan at all then, do you? This is seriously the best thing ever. It was so funny when he dropped it. And so 180SX is looking pretty good right about now, right? Okay, so today is just a really laid back day, mainly just because everyone's getting ready for the comp. Aoyama-san's here. Let's go check out his car and just see what else is going around at the workshop, eh? So this is Aoyama-san's Ichigo. He's going to be driving tomorrow as well, so he is here doing comp prep and making sure everything's all nice and pretty in his engine bay, which I probably should be doing to the Skyline, so later on today when I get home I'll wash the car. But very, very reliable setup. Obviously R35 GTR, airflow meter, R35 coil packs, Yashio valve cover, oil cap, water pump pulley down in there as well. All the pretty much a very similar setup to what I've got, except I'm top mount turbo, his low mount turbo. HKS turbo desu ka?
GT3 RS.
Yeah, so GT3 RS turbo. And PS 何馬力ですか?
350.
350 horsepower right now. So really reliable S15 setup. And taking a look now at the interior of Aoyama-san's car, you can see he's a pretty big carbon fiber fan. He's really done a nice job in his interior. Super pretty. Running the cage that we're going to be putting in my S chassis. As you can see, it goes down in between the vent there and clears the door and everything. So really good cage. Doesn't come in front of the AC vents like the bad one that's in my car. By the way, we're getting rid of this cage, and if anyone wants it and you're here in Japan, see this? How it comes in front of the AC vent like that? Anyways, we're getting rid of that cage. If you want it, $500, come get it. Yeah, really nice interior. Running a Nadi, of course. All the Yashio Factory drift button, shifter. Obviously the old Yashio Factory stickers too, they're super cool. But yeah, I really like Aoyama-san's car. It's got the Golf kit on there, just like mine. Super cool, except I think mine might be a bit more aggressive. Maybe mine's wider. Maybe. It's hard to tell. But also, RG3 wheels, which are actually the same as these ones. I thought these were RG2s, but these are actually RG3s. Same wheels on there right now. Super sick. I love it when Oka-chan goes to clean out his freezer because he just gives us some of the best ice cream ever. This all came from Okinawa. Off he goes, doing a tune setting, if you heard that. And this is all like ice cream from Okinawa. So it's like chocolate. This one here is Shikwasa sherbet. I don't even know what that is, but it's like the best ice cream in the world. So ice cream and Sylvia's, you can't go wrong in life. Okay, so it's time to do a little bit of work today. Also, guys, don't forget this whole entire body kit. It's a Shoden body kit off my S15. If you want it, it's yours for $400, only $400. But I like to go through his tire pile sometimes because I find tires here that I can use as daily tires. For instance, I found a pair that are pretty much unused Zek Novas, and Oka-chan doesn't like this brand, and he pretty much said I could have them. So we're gonna put these on the rear of my Skyline because currently my tires on there have flat spots from me shredding on them at Scuba. And it's been raining a lot lately with all the typhoons and the crazy weather here, the Florida weather as I call it. So I'm more than happy to switch those out now. So we'll do that. But like I said, Today really is just a chill and relax day and prep and whatnot. After I do this, I'm probably gonna head home and wash the car and get everything packed in there ready for tomorrow morning. Gonna have to get up at like 5. Whoa, the wind. Hopefully that doesn't affect the mic too bad. But yeah, just a chill day, comps tomorrow, trying not to get stressed and nervous thinking about tomorrow. Oka-chan did tell me though that because it's the beginner challenge, they don't really care about me keeping my rear wheel like perfectly on the line. And the main thing he thinks the judges are gonna be looking for is kakui, like the coolest. So he was like, if you can rear entry it, do it and you'll get 100 points. So, we're gonna try rear entering in the competition tomorrow. I got 2 runs, so if I do, I'm gonna do my first run safely, and if I do that well, then the second run, I'll go all balls out and fully send it. So check this out right now. Sylvia, 180, Sylvia, Skyline. All right, so we're gonna change the tires right now. Oh, I just noticed this is kind of awesome because this is like my S15 on top of my Skyline. It's probably the level of like difference between the two cars too. This is a much better built car than this one, that's for sure. Nothing like a fresh tire change to get your entire face covered in sweat on like a 38-degree day here in Japan. It feels like 38. I don't actually know how hot it is, but let me ask my second wife. Hang on. Hey Siri, how hot is it today?
Too hot for me. It's currently
32 degrees. 32 degrees. It's too hot for Siri apparently, but it feels like more. Trust me. Anyways, I hope this doesn't feel like an episode, like a filler episode, because it kind of is. But all things aside, all sarcasm aside, I am feeling so relaxed for the comp tomorrow, so that's a good thing. But I kind of wanted to give you guys a little bit of a tour of underneath the S15. So once I move my car out, I want to show you some of the goodies that are on there. Look at her. See, she's looking at the car and thinking, damn, I'd look good driving this. Whoa. Hey, red 180 and a red Skyline. They look good together. Oh yeah, I'm down. So now that we got the Skyline moved out of the way, we can take a look under here and show you some of the good pieces. So we have the Greddy old school cast extended sump, so that's going to give me a lot more oil and whatnot for sloshing around, and I'm pretty sure they also have some baffling in there, so that'll be really good for drifting. Super cool to have that on there. I don't have a Nismo power brace, but it is braced with I'm not sure what brand that is, but that is there. So in the future we may be switching that out to a Nismo power brace. We don't have extended LCAs, they're just strengthened here. And we've got adjustable caster arms and modified knuckles. These are not Oka-chan's though, so they will be changing to some of Yashio Factory's knuckles. Moving over to the exhaust, the old school HKS wastegate is there, the super cool, awesome one. Which then obviously just dumps straight out here. That's kind of nice. We got a HKS high flow cat, which is pretty cool. The exhaust has seen better days. I think it rubbed through there and they just did a patch job. And then that's a bung for putting in a wideband. Exhaust then just goes straight out the back to a normal muffler. Currently 4.3 Nismo two-way, changing to a 3.9 Nismo two-way. And then in the rear here, we just got adjustable tow arms with adjustable camber with like the biggest arm I've ever seen in my life. So that's kind of good. And obviously we've got our new coilovers in there, so pretty hyped on that. And Nismo 6-speed transmission, which is really cool. Really expensive too, so hopefully it's a bit stronger than the factory one. But yeah, otherwise it's kind of under my car, S15 for now. And as you can see, the chassis rails are perfect, no damage to them whatsoever, which is awesome. I'm so excited for this thing, hey. All right, so time to head off. Oka-chan's car's all up on the loader. Otsukaresama mata ashita. All right, so keen for tomorrow. Gonna be such an epic day. Time to head home, wash the car, pack it, get ready, go to bed early. That's our plan. So we'll pick it up from there.
So this is where we ended up at our favorite Chinese chain restaurant here in Japan called Bamiyan. One sucky thing is that we got stuck in traffic, so I ended up getting home a lot later. Well, not home, but getting back to where we live at like 8:30 p.m. So yeah, we're just gonna eat this. We're gonna go home. We're gonna pack the car. We're gonna get gas on the way home too, so we're ready for tomorrow. But we're probably waking up at like 4:30, so it's gonna be a fun morning. You excited for it? 4:30 wake up? Yeah, me either. And I gotta edit after this too. Yeah, bye, nah. All right, guys. So obviously we're back home, and we didn't get time to wash the car. It got too dark with the, getting stuck in traffic and whatnot. Had a good feed though. Filled up the car with gas. Packed the car with gas. I think we're gonna be okay for tomorrow. I think we remembered to pack everything that we need to, and it looks like I'm going to bed at 12:30 a.m. So not gonna get much sleep, but hopefully tomorrow's okay and we don't have any issues with the car or anything like that. I'm still pretty nervous if I was to be honest, so I have no idea what to expect tomorrow, but I think I'll be okay. If I just do what Oka-chan told me to do with, just try to make whatever I do look cool, we should be okay, because it is just a challenge beginner. But with that, guys, pretty pumped to have some of you guys cheering along for me and stuff. You guys have been sending me messages saying I'm going to do really good on on Instagram and whatnot. But anyways, enough talking. Jeez, I really got sunburnt. Hey, I will catch you all on the next one. Peace out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Jamata.